Yeah, welcome back. We are in topic 6, birds of freedom. And in this topic, just we have studied about the two poets, and just we have at the last of the first poem. Although, just I want to summarize, it is about two birds. First one is the grackle, and second one is the stork. And about grackle, we studied that it is medium size blackbird, and it its voice is not melodious, and it attacks on the man. Means it has a mania or fancy. Uh, it has a mania or fancy to attack, and the poet satire on the bird because of the thing. Just I'm going to again tell you about the bird. The grackle. The grackle's voice is less than mellow. His heart is black, his eyes is yellow. Grackle is a bird which voice is not melody, having black heart, not a well heart, and yellow eyes. Means when we talk about bird, simply we start thinking about the pleasant situation or harmonious situation. We start thinking about the nature. We become happy by thinking about bird, or by the when we think about the bird, simply we think about the singing of the bird, the sound of the different kinds of sound of bird, which always attract us, and we always become mad by listening the sounds. We just forget ourselves in the sound. But this bird neither good sound nor good heart. It has black heart, and we can understand why the poet tell that it has black heart. He bullies more attractive birds with hoodlum deeds and bubble words. This bird this bird attacks on the other birds with its different kinds of rough behavior, with different kinds of badly behaved attitude, and should a human interfere, attacks that woman in the rear, and if the woman interfere in the bird's work, simply the human being get attacked by the bird, because the bird is not pleasant one, or not to the other about which we think. It is the bird uh, which simply attack on the people from the back. I cannot help but deem the grackle an ornithological debacle, and the poet himself is telling that he can't help us when the bird attacks on us. The poet can't say, can't help but simply see us, simply see, simply view, but can't help us, and he doesn't know. It is ornithological debacle. Ornithological means a branch of science that deals with birds, because the when we talk about the ornithology, it also can't tell us the reason of it, why the bird attacks on us, what is the reason behind it. So it is like the failure of it. Simply there is other poem, that is a stork fly north. When we talk about the bird a stork, I think I have told you many things about the bird in previous topics, because in previous topic was fully on the bird stock. Although there is something about the bird which I am going to read. Most storks live in warm tropical areas in Florida, South America, Africa, India, and Asia. When you talk about the bird, the stork, and the simply the habitat of the bird stay in or live in Florida, South America, Africa, India, and Asia. No, tropical areas, warm tropical areas. Second one, a few storks live in cold areas and migrate south in the winter. When we talk about few storks, simply we can understand that they live in a cold areas and migrate in the south in winter. Means at the time of hot or in the time of warm, they stay in the cold areas, and when it gets cold, they again migrate to south. Means to get the warm. Means these birds want to stay in the warm areas. No, storks live in swamps and wetlands. We have studied about it that they live in the marsh or bog type of areas which is wet, no, or wetlands. They use their long, deep bills to catch fish, frog, and other small animals. We have talked much about the thing that the bird simply took as a food the small creatures like fish, frogs, and other small animals. Unlike grackles, storks can't sing. Yeah. The bird also can't sing, or the bird doesn't have good melody sound. Huh? Or melody sound. They are heavy birds and can't fly by flapping their wings. And they are very heavy. Because of that also the bird is called the army. We know about it because of its gait and because of the heavy body. Although instead they glide on one air, current called thermals, and they can glide or they can simply jump. The bird has the capability to jump, not to fly high. And just in this poem, just we are going to learn about a stork, and the name of the poem is A Stork Fly North. Means the birds fly north. Dusk, a stork is speckled as sky. It is the time of dusk or at the time of sun setting. At that time, the stork is speckled as sky, means cover a sky, or just we can see a number of storks in the sky at the time of dusk. Storks are flying to the northlands as their generations have taught them. The storks fly to northland or north areas as the previous birds or the ancestors of the birds or generations of the bird have taught them. They follow them. They are flying to the northlands where hope and old needs awaits, and they fly to the northland as they get their nest there, they get their habitat, and they get their food ready there. By thinking like that, the birds fly to the northland that they simply get their food and nests are awaiting for them. Light faded as a silk to evening, and it is the time of evening. At the time we can see different or a number of stars in the sky flying to northland. A smooth silk gliders homing to the darkling woods means a smooth silk gliders means having shiny withers figures. They can simply fly to their home. And homing to the darkling woods. Darkling woods means simply the wood which is very dark or very dense forest. It is talking about the dense forest where secrets sleep with the storks, and where they fly to the northland. They fly to their home, uh, and their home is the dark woods or dense jungles, and where their secrets sleeps means where there is the secret which attract them to come. These birds is about the stork fly north, Tom Bauman. In this simply we can understand the stork fly to northland, and the northland they get their nest, and simply they get their home or food there. Along with there is the secret of their arrival, and the secret is the same thing. They get hope to live, they get food, they get nest. Because of that the birds go to northland. Just I have completed the poem, the two poem, and just I want to tell you to go through the poem and try to do the exercise. In next video I will try to talk about, or I will try to make you understand about the questions and comprehensions whatever given here. At last I want to tell you the same thing. Be safe and uh, try to keep attention on your family members or take care of them too. See you.